Hey! The topic I am going to discuss is construction and labeling of scatter plots. Scatter plots. A scatter plot is a graph that displays a collection of data points as dots or circles on a two-dimensional coordinate system. Each point on the plot represents a pair of values, usually numerical, with one value plotted on the horizontal x-axis and the other value plotted on the vertical y-axis. Scatter plots are used to explore the relationship between two variables and to identify any patterns, trends, or outliers in the data. The position of each dot on the graph shows the values of the two variables being plotted. By analyzing the pattern of the scatter plot, you can determine the nature of the relationship between the two variables, such as whether it's linear, nonlinear, or has no relationship at all. Steps in constructing a scatter plots. 1. Collect the data. Gather the data you want to plot on the scatter plot. This could be in the form of a table with numerical data. 2. Choose the variables. Determine which variable you want to use for the x-axis and y-axis. 3. Plot the data points. Plot each data point as a dot on the graph, using the x-axis and y-axis values for each point. 4. Label the axes. Label the x-axis and y-axis with descriptive and meaningful names that reflect the variables you're plotting. 5. Choose the scale. Decide on the scale for the x-axis and y-axis. Make sure that the scales are appropriate for the range of data you're plotting. 6. Interpret the scatter plot. Once the scatter plot is complete, interpret the results to understand the relationship between the two variables. Look for patterns, outliers, and trends. Example: 10 patients' weight and height are shown in the table. Here in this scatter plot, each dot's representing an individual patient's height and weight. It's very simple to understand and a great way of presenting data. Advantages of scatter plots. Easy to understand. Scatter plots are simple and easy to understand, making them a useful tool for visualizing the relationship between two variables. Show patterns and trends. Scatter plots can quickly show patterns and trends in the data, allowing you to see the relationship between two variables at a glance. Identify outliers. Scatter plots make it easy to identify outliers, or data points that are significantly different from the rest of the data. Flexible. Scatter plots can be used with any type of numerical data, making them a versatile tool for visualizing relationships. Disadvantages of scatter plots. Limited to two variables, scatter plots can only show the relationship between two variables, so they may not be suitable for data sets with more than two variables. Overlapping data points. If there are a lot of overlapping data points, the scatter plot can become cluttered and difficult to interpret. No causality. Scatter plots only show the relationship between two variables, but they do not establish causality or demonstrate that one variable causes the other. Limited information. Scatter plots provide limited information about the relationship between two variables. You can see trends and patterns, but you can't get a quantitative measure of the strength of the relationship. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. Subscribe for more videos and also share with all your pharma mates. Thank you.